Caleb, can you imagine working all day, doing everything right, and then getting fired at the end of the day for something you didn't even do?
Fired after doing all the work?
Exactly. And that's what happened to Rose's story today.
Okay, now I'm interested. What happened?
It's a story about hard work, honesty, betrayal, and one unexpected person who changed everything.
That sounds intense.
It really is. And there are some important English words in the story, too.
So we're getting a story and an English lesson.
Exactly.
Okay, tell me the story.
It started at a small café.
Who worked there?
A young woman named Gu. She wasn't rich, powerful, or famous. She was just a hard-working girl who wanted to build a better life.
I already like her.
Every morning, Gu arrived early. She cleaned the tables, swept the floor, wiped the tables, prepared ingredients, and got everything ready before the customers arrived.
Sounds like she did everything.
She practically did.
And was she getting paid well?
Not really, but Gu was grateful for the job.
Grateful? What does that mean?
Grateful means very thankful.
So even though her job was difficult, she appreciated having it.
Exactly. She believed that honest work was something to be proud of.
That's a good attitude.
Gul even had a little cat that sometimes stayed around the cafe.
A cafe cat?
Yes, Gul would talk to him while she worked.
I already know the cat is going to become important.
Maybe.
So what happened next?
One morning, Gul arrived before everyone else as usual.
She cleaned the tables,
Swept the floor,
prepared the kitchen.
and checked that everything was ready.
She sounds extremely hardworking.
She was.
What about the boss?
The boss was a woman named Mara.
And I have a feeling Mara wasn't as hardworking as Gru.
You guessed correctly.
Oh no.
Mara often sat around, looked at her phone, and ignored the work.
While Gru was doing everything?
Yes.
That doesn't sound fair.
It wasn't.
Did anyone notice?
Someone did.
Who?
Someone named Caleb.
Wait, that's me.
I'm telling the story. Let me make you mysterious.
Fine, continue.
Continue. One afternoon, the cafe received a huge order.
How huge?
50 cupcakes.
50?
5 cakes.
5 cakes?
And 100 cookies.
100 cookies?
Yes.
And when did they need everything?
By 5 o'clock that afternoon.
That's a lot of work.
It was.
So what did Mara do?
Mara called Gul.
Gu, emergency order.
Yes, boss. What do you need?
Make 50 cupcakes, 5 cakes, and 100 cookies. Everything has to be ready by 5.
That's a huge order.
Don't mess this up.
And Gul simply said, yes, boss, I'll work very hard.
She didn't complain?
Not even once.
She just started working.
She mixed the ingredients.
She baked the cakes.
She made the cupcakes.
She baked all the cookies.
Then she decorated everything.
And all by herself?
Almost.
Who helped her?
Nobody.
That's terrible.
At one point, Gu had boxes and trays everywhere. She was carrying heavy things across the cafe.
What about Mira?
Mira was sitting nearby, watching videos on her phone.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Did Gu ask for help?
She did.
Mira, can you help me carry these?
And Mira said, I'm busy.
Busy doing what?
Scrolling on her phone.
That's unbelievable.
Gu looked at the heavy boxes, took a deep breath, and said, I'll do it alone.
Poor Gu.
She kept going.
That's what makes her different.
She didn't spend her energy complaining. She just finished the job.
Did she finish everything?
Yes.
50 cupcakes?
Finished.
5 cakes?
Finished.
100 cookies?
Finished.
Wow.
By the time Gu finished, she was exhausted. She could barely stand.
I can imagine.
She sat down for a moment, took a deep breath, and thought, I finally finished.
She deserved a break.
She did.
But I feel like something bad is about to happen.
You're right.
Uh-oh.
Suddenly, Mira stood up.
Boss, the order is ready.
Already? Mira, are you finished?
Wait, what?
Mira had a plan.
I don't like where this is going.
She walked over to the cakes, smiled, and said, "Yes, Mom, I worked so hard today."
She took credit for everything?
Everything.
That's horrible.
She told her mother that she had made all the desserts.
And did the mother believe her?
Unfortunately, yes.
What did she say?
She looked at Mira and said, "You're amazing."
After Gu did all the work?
Yes,
That's not just unfair, that's stealing someone's work.
exactly.
Did Gu stay quiet?
At first, she did.
But then
She looked at the cakes,
she looked at Mira.
and finally, she found the courage to speak.
Excuse me?
Everyone turned around.
I made the cakes.
Silence.
Oh no.
Gu continued.
I made all the cakes. I made the cupcakes. I made the cookies. I worked all day.
Mira immediately became angry.
You're lying.
Gu couldn't believe it.
What are you talking about?
Mira shouted, "You did nothing today."
That's unbelievable.
Then the worst thing happened.
What?
The boss believed Mira.
Oh no.
She looked at Gu and said, "You're fired. Get out of my cafe right now."
She fired Gu?
After Gu did all the work.
That's horrible.
Gu's hands started shaking.
She must have felt completely helpless.
She did.
What did she do?
She packed her things, picked up her little cat, and walked outside.
And then?
She sat on the cold street and started crying.
That's heartbreaking.
She thought, nobody cares about me.
But someone did.
Exactly.
Who?
A stranger approached her.
What did he say?
"Excuse me, are you okay?"
Gu looked up.
The stranger said, "I saw everything that happened."
He saw everything?
Everything.
He told Gu that he had watched her work all day.
He had seen her make every cake,
Every cupcake.
every cookie.
So he knew the truth.
He did.
What was his name?
Rumi.
Rumi?
Yes, and Rumi wasn't an ordinary man.
Oh, here we go.
He told Gu, "I see everything."
That sounds mysterious.
Then he described Gu with one word:
What word?
honest.
Honest means you tell the truth and you don't lie.
Rumi told her, "You are honest. You worked hard when nobody was watching."
That's beautiful.
He said, even when telling the truth was difficult, you still told it.
That's real honesty.
And then he said something that changed Gu's life.
What?
Dramatic. "Would you like to work for me?"
He offered her a job?
Yes.
Just like that?
He said he needed someone honest, hardworking, and brave.
Brave.
Brave means having a strong heart and facing difficult situations even when you're afraid.
And Gu definitely needed courage that day.
She did.
But what kind of business did he have?
That's where the story gets strange.
I knew it.
Rumi looked at Gu and said, "I hunt demons."
What?
Yes.
A demon hunter?
And then he gave her another surprise.
What?
Dramatic. He was a demon prince.
Okay, that escalated quickly.
Very quickly.
So Gu went from being a cafe worker to working for a demon prince?
Exactly.
And did she say yes?
She did. Rumi told Gu, "Come with me. You deserve a real family." After everything she'd been through, Gu finally felt like someone believed in her.
Someone finally saw her value.
Yes.
So what happened after she left the cafe?
Well, she thought the story was finally over.
But
Dramatic, it wasn't.
what happened?
Back at the cafe, people started feeling sick.
Sick?
Yes.
What kind of sick?
People complained about stomach pain.
Some felt dizzy.
Others felt nauseous.
That sounds serious.
It was.
Who came to investigate?
Dramatic. a health inspector.
Oh, that's bad news for the cafe.
The inspector walked in and asked, "What happened here?"
Did the cafe have security cameras?
Yes,
Then they could check what happened.
exactly.
So, what did the camera show?
They showed the truth.
Finally,
The camera showed Gu working all day.
they showed Mara sitting around.
They showed Gu making every dessert.
They showed Mara taking credit for everything.
So the lie was finally exposed.
Completely.
The inspector realized that the cafe had serious problems.
What happened to the cafe?
It was closed.
So, closed.
Yes,
And the people who lied lost everything.
exactly.
But Gu wasn't there anymore.
No, she had already left.
And someone else had finally recognized her honesty.
Yes.
I actually really like the lesson here.
Which lesson?
Worm, you may be ignored for a while, but that doesn't mean your hard work has no value.
That's beautiful.
You maybe noticed your effort today.
But that doesn't make the effort meaningless.
And being honest doesn't always give you an immediate reward.
Sometimes honesty makes life harder before it makes life better.
But in the long run, honesty builds trust.
Exactly.
And bravery?
Bravery doesn't mean you'll never be scared.
It means you keep going even when you're scared.
Exactly.
Gu was scared when she stood up in front of everyone.
But she told the truth anyway.
That's bravery.
And hard work?
Hard work means continuing even when nobody's watching.
Exactly.
She made hundreds of desserts without anyone thanking her.
But she kept working because she believed in doing a good job.
I think a lot of people can relate to that,
Definitely.
especially people who work hard but feel invisible.
Yes.
Maybe you're studying English and nobody sees how much you practice.
Maybe you're working towards a goal and nobody understands how difficult it is.
Maybe you're trying to become a better person and it feels like nobody notices.
Keep going.
Your effort still matters.
And remember the 3 words from today's story?
Let me guess.
Honest
Brave.
and hardworking.
Those 3 words can change your life.
And they can make your English stronger too.
How?
Let's practice.
Okay.
Honest means telling the truth.
She is an honest person.
Good.
Brave means
Strong enough to face something difficult.
he was brave enough to tell the truth.
Perfect.
And hardworking?
Someone who puts a lot of effort into their work.
She is hardworking and responsible.
Exactly.
I like learning vocabulary through stories because you remember the words better.
That's why we love storytelling.
You don't just memorize a definition,
You see the word in action.
you feel the emotion.
And you remember the situation.
So when you hear honest again, you might remember Goulet.
Exactly.
And when you hear brave, you might remember her standing up and telling the truth.
That's the power of a story.
Rose, I have one final question.
Go ahead.
What do you think happened to Goulet after she started working with Rumi?
That's another story.
Aha!
Maybe one day we'll tell it.
I definitely want to hear it.
For now, let's focus on today's lesson.
Don't let one bad experience make you stop believing in yourself.
Keep learning.
Keep working.
Keep telling the truth.
And keep being brave.
Because sometimes the person who sees your value isn't the person you expect.
And sometimes losing one door is exactly what leads you to a better one.
That's the lesson.
And that's also why we love sharing stories with you.
Because you can learn English while enjoying a story.
You can learn vocabulary, expressions, and natural conversation without feeling like you're studying.
And we want you to practice with us.
So here's today's question.
Which word from today's story do you like best?
Honest?
Brave?
Hardworking?
Write one sentence with your favorite word in the comments.
For example, I want to be brave when I speak English.
That's a great sentence.
And don't worry about making mistakes.
Keep practicing.
And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English with Rosemay.
We have many more stories, conversations, and English lessons coming your way.
Remember, your hard work matters.
Your honesty matters.
And you are doing better than you think.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Take care, everyone.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next story.
Goodbye.